Hey everyone! Have you been experiencing an annoying audio lag with your Vizio soundbar? Well, you've come to the right place, as today we're diving into how to fix Vizio soundbar delay. Whether you're watching a movie or playing your favorite video game, audio delay can be incredibly frustrating. But don't worry, by following these steps, you'll have crystal clear, perfectly timed audio in no time. Step 1. Check connection types. The solution might be as simple as the type of connection you're using. Start by examining how your Vizio soundbar is connected to your TV. HDMI and optical cables are generally preferable since they support better audio transmission. If you're currently using a Bluetooth connection, try switching to a wired connection to see if it minimizes the delay. A direct link, more often than not, reduces lag compared to wireless setups. Step 2. Adjust audio settings on your TV. Next, head over to your TV's audio settings to look for any features that could help sync the audio with the visual display. Many modern TVs come equipped with an audio delay or lip sync adjustment setting. Use this to manually tweak the delay until the audio matches the on-screen action perfectly. Take your time and make small adjustments to find the sweet spot that's right for you. Step 3. Update firmware. Another common culprit for audio delay can be outdated firmware. Check your Vizio soundbar and TV for the latest software update. Manufacturers often release updates specifically designed to fix bugs and improve performance. Refer to the user manuals for the manufacturer's website for detailed instructions on how to update your devices. After updating, restart both the TV and the soundbar to ensure the changes take effect. Step 4. Utilize sound modes. Sometimes the Vizio soundbar's pre-configured sound modes can cause delays. Explore the different sound modes available, such as game, movie, or music, and experiment with them. While switching modes, listen to see if any of these options lessen the audio lag. Often these modes are optimized for specific types of media, so choosing the correct one for what you're watching can improve the sync. Step 5. Inspect cables and connections. Finally, faulty or loose cables might be your problem. Ensure that all cables are securely connected without any visible damage and replace any that seem worn out. Switching to new or higher quality cables can sometimes resolve audio syncing issues you might think are more technical. Fixing your Vizio soundbar delay doesn't have to be a daunting task. By checking connections, adjusting settings, updating firmware, exploring sound modes, and ensuring your cables are in good condition, you'll be enjoying your favorite shows and music in perfect harmony. Remember, patience is key, and a little bit of experimentation can make a big difference. Now, go enjoy some synced up audio.